एवं पश्यतु तत्र मट्टिकाव्यस्य अस्माभिः किं कृतं प्रथमसर्गस्य सर्वेषां श्लोकानां तत्र विच्छेदः समासविग्रहः अन्वयः चित्रणं सर्वमपि कृतमस्ति एवं रीत्या भवन्तः द्रष्टुमपि शक्नुवन्ति पुनश्च अत्र सर्वत्र वैलक्षण्यं भवति देर् आर् मल्टिपल् इण्ट्रेस्टिङ्ग् पायिण्ट्स् हियर् so if you just notice the picture you will get an immediate idea of what is the sentence about iti jnayate so it is a very interesting approach to learn shlokas also अतः एवम् अस्ति एवं भवन्तः एकवारं पश्यन्तु वयं पुनः अस्य विषये प्राक्टिकल् सेशन् यदा भवति तदा वयं प्रभवामः अतः अत्र प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु कथं करणीयं किं करणीयम् अथवा प्रोग्रामिङ्ग् कथं भवति स्ट्रक्चर् किं भवति इति प्रश्नः अस्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु सन्ति वा अवगतम् इति भासते सबको पता चल गया ठीक है
करवाना है अभी
हाँ अभी को करना है अभी
बैठ के करना है नहीं आया तो पूछ लो
हाँ
पृच्छतः पंडितः
एवं सम्यक् हाँ
हम लोग जब ऐसे हम लोग प्रोग्राम करते हैं तो उसके लिए नोटपैड का यूज करते थे नोटपैड पर प्रोग्राम करते थे ऐसे शो रन करना तो ये हम किस सॉफ्टवेयर पर प्रोग्राम करेंगे
जी सही पूछा है देखिए
बैठ के पूछ सकते
हाँ बैठ हाँ तो यहाँ पे आप ये हमारा वेबसाइट जो है जो आप रन कर रहे थे ना HTML को ये हमारा वेबसाइट उसको रन करता है ठीक है तो आप यहीं पे नोटपैड टाइप का ही इंटरफेस है यहाँ पे तो आप इसी नोटपैड एडिटर में लिखेंगी और वेबसाइट ही रन कर देगा उसको तो वेबसाइट ही आपका HTML का रन करने वाला है यहाँ
तर्हि इदानीम् अस्माभिः केवलं तत्र रॉ डेटा
दातव्यं तावदेव अस्ति इन्पुट् एव दातव्यं प्रोसेसिङ्ग् औट्पुट् सर्वं तदेव स्वयमेव हाँ yes any language whether यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम करने के लिए यहाँ पे तो पाइथन का प्रयोग किया है इन द बैकएंड पूरा फ्रंट एंड तो HTML जावास्क्रिप्ट वो तो होता ही है सामान्य
गच्छति वनं रामः नो डिफरेंट why अर्थः तु आगच्छति खलु अवगम्यते you are getting the meaning but no this is a common example we take cat kills rat है ना and rat cat any difference difference है क्या what is the difference बिल्ली चूहे को ना चूहा बिल्ली को से so see but no here the word is same here also word same here also it's same here also it's same no difference at all then how do you get the meaning how do you get the difference in meaning कथम एवं भेदः जायते पश्यतु रामः गच्छति वनं you are getting the meaning रामकर्तृक वनकर्मक गमनं खलु रामकर्तृकं वनकर्मकं गमनं किन्तु यदि अत्र समानमेव शब्दे कोऽपि भेदः no difference is the words then how do you get the different meaning right the relation context no chuha is here no billy is there how can you say this is context how do you get the meaning you just think this is the work of a linguist Okay, how to understand the language? Katham etadrisha artham kedam jayate? How? What is the reason? Structure same, no? What is structural difference? Same. See, here space is there, here also space, here also space, here also space. Skills, rat, cat. So,
A1, A3, the position is different.
see, the important point is here. See, this is Ramaha, aha is there. No? This is is there. What is this? Vibhakti. So, we are getting some information through Vibhakti. This is कर्म कारक, अत्र कर्म कारक है, यहाँ तो कर्तृ कारक है. ऐसे इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिलते हैं? वो विभक्ति से, है ना? So this information is coded within the word. This is not separate. Within the word, this information is coded. That is expressed through vibhakti. But here, that is not explicit. ये तो नहीं है. Information तो नहीं दिखा रहा है ना? So how do you know that? It's because of position. This position, no sthanam. Sthanam is important. If you change the position, see, now sir is sitting here. If you sit there, position is changed. Now you are student, you are sitting, and sir is a dean, he is sitting there. Okay, so sthanantaranam kriyate, role of change body. If you stand here and teach, you become a teacher. And I sit and listen, I become a student. Okay, so position is important here. In some languages, position is very, very important. If you change the position, meaning also will be changed. That's why we say context-free grammar. Word-free order, we can say. Word-free order. So we can see Rama gacchati vanam, vanam gacchati Rama, vanam. So that is possible. But in this no here, information is not coded here. See, for example, say Ram goes to forest. See, here these two entities are there. No? Vibhakti, this is Vibhakti, two is Vibhakti actually. But Vibhakti is not attached to the word. ये तो attached नहीं है. But here no, Pada has all the information. The information is coded here, but here outside. That is the difference. But role is same. Are you getting the difference? Role is same. The sambandha is same. Karaka is same. He is the karta. Same one is karta. Same karma. Same karana. But it is the vibhaktis, the expression. No, the medium of expression may be different. Are you getting? See, these are the minute but very, very, very sukshma amshas. You have to avadhanam there. Okay. So, see, when you want to process a language, when you want to compute something, so work on the compute. So you have to think in this way. Okay, how does one language differ from others? Okay, so see, these are the differences. But no, kills means kills is the verb, karta, karma. So here, karta, this is the verb, no? Verb ityasya kriyayaha left side eva bhavet. If you keep it in right side, on the right side, that becomes karma, object. So subject position is fixed, object position is fixed. But in Sanskrit and other Hindi and all, it's not like that. But can we say it's completely word or free word order? Let's take some examples. Swati chayam pibati. Okay, Swati chayam pibati. Swati chayam eva pibati. ओके, स्वाति चायम् एव पिबति. स्वाति एव चायं पिबति. स्वाति चायं पिबति एव. Do you see any difference here?
Yes, sir.
अस्ति वा?
दिखता है
हाँ, कथयतु.
स्वाति चायं पिबति इत्यत्र चाय अपि पातुं शक्यते, काफी अपि पातुं शक्यते. अत्र स्वाति चायम् एव पिबति इत्यत्र चाय एव.
You cannot give her coffee. Volunteers, no? Volunteers cannot give her coffee because she drinks only tea. Okay, that is second. And third one, see, again volunteers have to be very careful. You can give tea to Swati, not to me, because Swati eva chayam pibati. Okay, you are getting. So here, Swati chayam eva pibati. Swati won't drink milk or coffee. Here, Divyapayam, no, only tea. Okay, only tea. That is Swati. Here, in this sentence, Swati eva chayam pibati. She only, you can give Divyapayam to me. Okay, but not tea. Okay, only Swati drinks chayam. Swati chayam pibati eva. No doubt. No doubt. Okay. She may drink coffee, but she must drink tea. How do you get this meaning? Not evakarena. Position. Sthanam, no. Position of evakara. Position of evakara. So, no language is actually completely free word.
First and fourth. What's the difference between first and fourth?
Swati chayam pibati is a common. But Swati chayam pibati eva, that is a must. That is a confirmation. Shall I give tea or not? Yeah, no matter whatever. See, she drinks.
Second and fourth.
Swati chayam eva pibati means she won't drink anything else. Even if you give water, she won't drink. She drinks only chayam. Okay, chayam. Next. Swati eva chayam pibati means she only drinks. Not Aruna. Aruna drinks narigela jalam, not chaya. Okay, so see, तदर किमर्थम एवं दर्शयामि इत्युक्ते, so we have to think in that direction. I told you शास्त्र दृष्टि. See, understanding this is also शास्त्र दृष्टि. So when you study a language or any shastra, what you have to get is this drishti. How to see, how to look into it, how to understand, how to analyze, how to explain, how to process. That is the shastra drishti. Okay, carry on. So got it? Chayam agatam. Now you have to think whether you have to give chayam to Swati or not. Okay, so एतत् किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते, पश्यन्तु, एवं see, for teaching the machine, teaching computers, you have to see this. Accordingly, you have to make the rule. Not only see knowing a word, no, you cannot process it. So you have to see all these things. Ramena saha gacchati. That saha, no, saha is connected to Ram or gacchati. Ram or gacchati. That also you have to see. Okay. So, यदा भवन्तः एकं श्लोकं पठन्ति अथवा एकं टेक्स्ट्, शास्त्रं वा किमपि टेक्स्ट् पठन्ति, कथं प्रथमं भवन्तः पठन्ति, आरम्भं कथं भवति? See, if you know how do you learn, then only you can teach the machine, no? What is the process? Process किम् इति वयं जानीमश्चेदेव same way कर्तुं शक्यते. इदानीं पश्यन्तु, मया पाठनीयं चेत् कथं पाठनीयमिति मया ज्ञातव्यं खलु भवतां स्तरः कः कीदृशं पाठनीयं किं पाठनीयं सर्वं वि हाव् टु लिस्ट् औट् खलु इदानीं प्रथमं संस्कृतं पठन्ति इति चिन्तयतु कथं भवन्तः पठन्ति हौ डु यु लर्न् संस्कृत् फस्ट् किं रामः रामो रामाः रामं रामो रामदेव वा एवं पठन्ति वा देन् विभक्तिः देन् कारकं देन् इदानीं पश्यन्तु अहम् एकं श्लोकं लिखामि Know this sloka? Prepare this sloka? रामायणस्य बालकाण्डे प्रथम श्लोकः एकवारं पठन्ति वा? तपस्वाध्याय निरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिं मुनिपुङ्गवम् खलु so this is a sloka is given to you. How do you teach? Now you are masters and PhD students. Now this sloka is given to you. How do you teach this sloka? Tell me. Then you can teach computer also this sloka. How do you do? First क्रियते पदच्छेदः. No? पदच्छेदः क्रियते. Very good. पदच्छेदः. पदच्छेदः नाम? पदविभागः क्रियते खलु पदशः विभागः पूर्वमुक्तं वाक्यं so vakyam is a single unit one unit then we are dividing into words pada vibhaga kriyate atra katham kriyate किमर्थं pada vibhaga करणीयः the pada vibhaga इत्युक्ते किं why do we do this because these words are combined no sometimes words are combined together so we have to split it तदर्थमे सन्धि नियमाः सन्ति खलु you know सन्धि rules yes you don't know but Sanskrit students know no so sandhi rules are there so we have to split into words without knowing the rules also you can split so how do you split it so before splitting you have to know how to split it no we need you know sandhi yes sandhi नाम what is sandhi दुर्घट संधि what is sandhi samyog some connection no sandhi some joining conjoining something is there so then we have to solve it sandhi okay so two kinds of sandhis are there so I call it as internal sandhi and external. Okay. That is there Swara Sandhi, Vyanjana Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi and all that classification. But I call it internal and external. So let's see what is internal and what is external. What is internal? Just guess.
Within the pad.
Within the pada. For example, Ramalayaha. See. See, Rama and Alaya. There is a sandhi, no? That is internal sandhi. Within a word. Nayakaha and also within the word sandhi is there. That is called internal sandhi. So this is Rama Alaya. This is what you do. This is a word. Ramalaya. So this is within the sandhi. What is external sandhi?
Between two padas.
Example. Tathaiva. Tathaiva. Tatha eva. Ramastatra. Ramastatra. Ramaha. Okay, Ramastatra, Ramaha Tatra. This is external sandhi. Why this is external sandhi?
Between two different padas.
Between two different words. So within a word, it's internal sandhi. Between the words, it's external sandhi. So see, I have marked external sandhi using plus. Okay. See, because no same marking we cannot have. Because this Sanganaka, no computer won't understand that. So we have to have different connotation. See, this is plus. This is for external sandhi. Hyphen for internal sandhi. Okay, always remember. Hyphen for internal sandhi, plus for external sandhi. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Very clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's come to this sloka. So Tapaswadhyaya Niratam is one word or how many words are there?
Three.
How many words?
3 words.
So now I am entering into that Swati's field. Swati will take that padam afterwards. Okay. So now how many words are there? Tapaswadhyaya Niratam? One word or 3 words?
3 words.
3 for all. How many words? 4. 3. 4, 3. What is the word? Padam nama kim? Padam kim? Suktingantam padam, no? Suktingantam padam nama kim? Yeah, so in English, no, noun, verb. So in Sanskrit, we call it as Subantam Tingantam. So what is a Subantam, what is Tingantam? What is Subantam? Noun is Subantam, verb is Tingantam. Okay. So Subantam nama actually soup, no? Soup, what is soup? Soup means it's a Pratyaharasya Ganaha. No? It's a set of Pratyahara. Soup is a Pratyahara. It's a set of Pratyas. One kind of Pratyas. Set of Pratyas. No? So, just how many Pratyas? How How many words now? How?
एक ही बार
Finally 2 and 1. Reduced 4 reduced to 1 and 3 reduced to 2. So, see, this is the mechanism. This is the mechanism Panini has given to check whether something is pada or not. Okay? This is a mechanism. How to check a word, whether that is a word.